You are my baby. I will sing for you. 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 Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, you. Hey, hey, baby, 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 baby. Baby, 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 baby. You're not enjoying the song. Okay, let me sing the native song. Chile, wait, Chile, wait. I want to do, I want to do, I want to do, I want to do, want to do, I want to do, want to, I want to do, want to do, I want to do, I want to do, want to do. Baby, it's yummy. You know, sometimes what I find it difficult is always covering this your cap. Anytime I cover, you struggle, the cap will remove. I'll be singing for you at the same time, then covering your cap at the same time. Cool, or ne. Eh? I want to do, I want to do, pararam, ta, ta, ta. Do you want to sleep? My baby wants to sleep. Yeah, you want to sleep? Are you hungry? Are you hungry? Are you hungry? Tell me, Daddy, I am hungry. Are you hungry? Tell me, Daddy, I am hungry. Are you hungry? Baby, are you hungry? Hey, baby, tell me, are you hungry? Hey, tell me, Daddy, I am hungry. Daddy, I am hungry. Daddy, I want to eat. Daddy, I want to eat. Daddy, I am hungry. Daddy, I want to eat. Sorry. Daddy, I am hungry. Daddy, I want to eat. Jiggy. Daddy, I am hungry. Yeah, don't cry. Oh. This one you're doing like this. You say I've been singing for you since morning. You think it's easy? Do you think it's easy? Can you sing for me? Can you on your own sing for me? Tell me. Can you? Can you sing? You cannot sing for now. But now I'm the one that's going to be singing for you. I on the door. I on the door. I on the door. I on the door. If you are feeling sleepy, please just sleep. It's time for you to sleep. It's past 8. You are still awake. You don't want to sleep. You don't want to sleep. You have to sleep. You don't want to sleep. I tell you, you have to sleep so that daddy can go to work. Sleep so that I can go to work. When I was a baby like you, at least by now I should be sleeping. Yes. Yes, now. I know what I'm telling you. So you as a good boy, you need to sleep. If I'm saying you'll be telling me that, oh daddy, your voice is not sounding good. Why are you sounding like a local village man who is singing? Is that what you'll be telling me? Say, daddy, your voice is not good. Why are you singing and sounding like a village man? But you know your daddy is not a village man. Sure, you know that. When I say I'm singing for you, listen. At least you are an infant. You don't know whether this voice is nice or bad. I believe so. Oh, you know. Okay, let me use fine tune for you. All right. Wait. Let me use fine tune for you. I on the door. 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 Aondodoo, 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 Aondodoo. Bless you, my boy. Aondodoo, Aondodoo, hey. Aondodoo. No, it seems like I'm enjoying this song. Aondodoo, 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 Aondodoo. Bless you, boy. What's going on, boy? Let me arrange your cap. This your cap, eh? Anytime I have to cover you this cap, I have to use my skills before I cover your cap. Do you know that? Anytime I want to cover this cap, I have to use some skills, man. Aondodoo. Guys, tell us where you're watching from. Tell us where you're watching us from. Aondodoo. You know me, I'm your father. I'm a photographer, yeah? So I want you to get used to the camera, all right? So by the time you grow up, you'll be a pro. You can be even more than me. Do you know that? You can be a superstar, you know? Things I have not achieved in this life, my son, you are going to achieve them. Aondodoo. Guys, thank you so much for joining. I'm here this morning with my handsome boy, and we are singing this morning. So please just send a message. Let's know where you are watching us from. Idris, thank you so much. He's going to be a president. Oh, somebody say you're going to be a president. Presido. Idris, thank you, bro. Where you watching us from? Idris say he's going to be a president. All right. Idris, say Idris hi. Idris hi. Presido. Presido. Okay, let me sing for you. All right. I on to Todo, 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 tiki dee 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 dee. I know you want to sleep, yeah, but I must sing for you. Then, when you are tired, you sleep. If my voice is not nice, just tell me. Tell me that this your voice. I'm not understanding this your voice. Yeah, no. I know. I know you are tired. You're hungry, yeah? This guy is hungry. He needs to eat something. All right? Mwah. Mwah. J J J J J J J J J J J J J J J J J J J pom 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 pom. The boy wants to sleep. He wants to sleep. He's struggling to sleep. My boy, if you want to sleep, go ahead and sleep. Go ahead and sleep. Go ahead and sleep. I know you want to 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 sleep. My boy wants to sleep. My boy wants to sleep. My boy wants to sleep. I know he 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 wants to sleep. I know you want 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 to sleep. I know you are feeling sleepy. I know you are feeling. I know. How are you feeling now? He wants to sleep. You can see my baby. He wants to sleep. My baby wants to sleep. Just look at his hand. I know he wants to sleep. I know he wants to sleep. I sing for my baby and he's sleeping. I know you want to sleep. I know you want to stop pretending to sleep. I know you want to sleep. I know you want to sleep. I know you want to. My baby wants to sleep. Oh, my baby wants to sleep. My baby wants to sleep. Oh, my baby wants to sleep. I know you want to sleep. I know you want to sleep. I know you want to sleep. I sing for you. Yeah, guys, let's know where you're watching us from. Yeah, right in the comment section. I know you want to sleep. I know you want to. I know you want to sleep. I know you want to. I know you want to sleep. I know you want to sleep. When you sleep, I will go and put you there. I know you want to sleep. I know he has slept. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, God. Sometimes you have to sing for your baby, for your baby to sleep. You see, this morning I was here with this boy. As some of you who are watching us for a very long time when we started this live video. And next in 11 minutes ago, this baby was awake and I sang for him. I sang. And now the baby is sleeping. So sometimes when your baby is disturbing you, at least you should sing for the baby. Children or babies or infants, they love music. As little as he is, he loves music and he likes when I sing for him. And he gets weak when I sing for my baby. And now he's sleeping. See, he's smiling. Say, Daddy, thank you. He's smiling. He's saying, Daddy, thank you. I love you, boy. You're the best, okay? Daddy, mommy loves you. Guys, let's know where you're watching us from. My son has a YouTube channel, King Josiah Aondodoo. That's his YouTube channel. If you want to connect with him, you go to his YouTube and then have some of his videos. For now, my boy, stay here. We are stay here. And we're saying hi to you. We're saying good morning to you from this angle to your angle. Now you are sleeping. Eh, My baby, you are sleeping. I love you, right? Guys, this is my first son, and I'm so happy to have him in my family, and he's so special to me. This is my first seed. Huh? Let me arrange the cup. Oh, the mother is caught in that scatter the cups. So let me arrange it. It's women that know how to dress all those dressing. We guys, we don't keep all those details. So I hope the cap is better now. So, this is my first child and I love him so much. And it's a blessing. I love you and I love your mom too. Your mom not here and I say, oh, I said I love you and I don't love her. I loved both of you. All right. So, from pregnancy up to this level is kind of, it's a school that I'm learning. All right. Sometimes my baby will be crying. I don't even know what is crying. I will try to, I don't even know what to do. But it's a wonderful school. And it's a joy of every man who wants to have a child who learn It's a wonderful school. I love this kind of school. Taking care of my baby. You see, every day I wake up, I make sure I hold him, sing for him. Anytime I come back, I make sure I hold him, I sing for him. The truth is that I love my son, and he looks like me. Some people say he looks like a mom, but I think he looks like me. He looks like me, yeah? You look like me, my boy. You look like me. Eh. Ugo so zaka swala. Okay. Oh. You know what, me yeah. I know look by here now me yaga. I on the door. On the door and look by daddy over yaga. Hmm? I sang for him and he's sleeping. Once it's 20 minutes, then I think I'll end this live video when it's 20 minutes. And sometimes when you're live, it's good for people to comment to know where they're watching us from. And this channel is all about lifestyle, travel vlog, entertainment, and live streaming. Sometimes I stream live, me eating. Sometimes now I have a baby. Sometimes I stream live with my baby, and sometimes I stream live when I'm in the office and doing one or two. So in case you are here and if you want to know, and we promote the beauty and the greatness of our beautiful continent Africa, you know so this is where we are taking it to the world. Yeah, we must promote our continent, not other people are promoting theirs too, so we too have to promote our Africa. Africa is a beautiful place, and I'm happy to be in Africa. I'm happy I was born in Nigeria, West Africa, and the whole Africa. So I'm happy to be an African. Yeah. And wherever you are, at least you be happy and be proud of where you're coming from. And if you're coming from anywhere around the world, just be proud of yourself. You know, God knows why He brought you there. So you have a purpose that you need to fulfill. You know, don't say, I don't like this place. I don't like this place. It's not everything that you like. Huh? But I think when you are you are from a particular country, region, I think it's always good for you to be proud of yourself, proud of your people. And at times, no matter what people say about your people, you don't have to, you know, can I say be angry about it? But you have to be proud of your people. Be proud. So, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video, right? I want my baby to go and sleep now. So let's go to the bed. Let's go and lie down, okay? Can we go and lie down? How am I going to move like this now? Yeah. I have to drop this camera here. So Thank you so much for liking. Thank you so much for Mustafa. Thank you so much for liking. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. I really appreciate, and God bless you. Mustafa, where are you watching me from? Where are you watching me from? So my baby is sleeping right now. So I I know you're watching me from your phone, but where are you watching me from? Which part of the world are you watching me from? Which country? Which state? That's what I'm talking about. Ndote. Oh, from Cyprus. Okay. Hi, Cyprus today. Our Cyprus is great. Thank you so much for joining. Mana akbalamia. Shinebe. Kewana mebuhona ya first. Shimidue. Alpha. Thank you so much. How is Cyprus today? Subarumokwa. Maybe the boy they scatter the cap. Sometimes I will put the cap hanja. You won't wake him up. So it's even again. I will call water you. Don't want my yavan kwana. Maybe unamoto mochirunji. I think it's better like that. So my experience as a father. Now when I'm talking, I would talk as a father, all right? Oh, you are from Pakistan and Cyprus too. Okay. How can you be in the... Okay. You have dual citizenship, all right? Yeah, that's good, bro. So, at times, taking care of your baby is very, very important. And I'm happy that every morning I always sing for my son, talk to him with gist before I go out, because every single little time you spend with your family is very important. Baby, nego kwa go no. So, thank you. Who I'm getting back. Oh, Pakistan is not going away because of the new president. Yeah, okay. We hope that everything is going to be fine, bro. It's a matter of time, all right? Come join me, let's eat. For what,
Those are the mean are not correct.
Is that not a grant?
But that 50K grant.
The one they gave you. Did I do it?
You have too many information, so I don't know about you.
Come join me.
The grounds are not there anymore. Yeah, you just talk about what you do.
Who you want there? That's the family grant. Me, you, Josiah. This mama is sweet though. Wow. The mama is very sweet. This is made of beans, red oil, and some other ingredients. We call it momoy. Momoy in Nigeria. Mustafa, my friend, please share my video. So, Mustafa, if you have beans, grant your beans, put red oil, put okay, that's cool. This is sweet. If you know how to cook, prepare this thing. It's all right. This is sachet water. Here in Nigeria, we have sachet water and we have bottled water. So this one is sachet is cheap, and the bottled water, the price is more higher, you know. You can watch more of my videos and you see I have a lot. I'm still going to be doing more.